Electric vehicles are especially quiet. The pedestrian warning sound makes your presence known to other road users, especially pedestrians and cyclists. The system is automatically activated each time the vehicle starts. The sound is triggered when the vehicle's speed is between 0.5 and 18 miles an hour, 1 to 30 kilometers an hour. It automatically switches to standby when the speed exceeds approximately 18 miles an hour, 30 kilometers an hour, and switches back on when the speed drops below 18 miles an hour, 30 kilometers an hour. Note, you can select the tone of the horn. Press and hold the switch to hear the various sounds one at a time. Release the switch on the sound of your choice.